lady senator presented was obviously opinionated, a propaganda tool, right? It should be stricken off the record, Madam President. And it's unparliamentary. We've seen videos presenting evidence on issues that are taken up on the floor. Senator Tulfo always comes out with videos showing people being mauled, people being abused for the information of this body to act on that particular issue. But to come up with an opinionated piece like that, ganong klaseng video na propaganda, na showing intrigue. Kasi ako, Madam President, hindi naman ako sangayon sa people's charter change. I was the first one in this institution who fought that kind of move with the PI, and all of us together, kaming lahat, for the first time in the history of the Senate, 24 senators tumayo dyan at pinasapo natin yung Contra People's Initiative, na fake People's Initiative, na talaga